The last example we saw only a integer type of input. Now I am going to get a float and double, right? A simple change. Okay, so you're going to make use of that int, next int, right? So now you'll be having a double and float. So double and float, the similar way to the integer, you are supposed to get with the help of a equal to, so here input is my scanner class object dot next int of, you will be getting, right? Similar way, b is nothing but int input value, similar way here in float, okay, float of, again c equal to input dot next double of, got it? So this is how you have to get the different numbers. Okay, so similar to your integer. Let me compile this. Java diff dot Java. Okay, Java C. Sorry, Java C diff dot Java. So Java LWD is my class. So now you are expecting three input. Three inputs are integer 14, double 15.2, and sorry, one of your friend asked a question why it is next int started with a capital case. Okay, so that is like a camel case definition. So first let me go ahead with this one, 18.2. Okay, so now you will get the same one, integer 14, float 15.2, and double is 18.2. Okay, so let me go ahead with the question which Deepak asked. Okay, so next int of. Okay, so this is actually a camel type definition. Whenever you will be going with a class name, you are supposed to start with the first letter is a S. Okay, even if you are writing a class name with a small also, some cases will be taken, but if it is kind of a user defined classes and methods. Okay, but if in case of any other input, I mean inbuilt classes, you are supposed to follow your class started with S. Okay, so that is very important if you are going with your type definition of the class and the methods. Okay, similarly here also a next int of is going to be a camel case definition. So whenever you just have a next of, next is nothing but a getting value, which type of value is nothing but int of, float of, double of, that you will be giving. If you in case of a string, you will be giving only next of, only one word. If it in case of a sentence, a para of line. Okay, so that you are supposed to go with the next line of that. That question only you are going to discuss now. Okay, so let me go ahead with one more example for a string. So I'll be getting a toString. Okay, so with the help of a scanner class, so I'll be taking string a and b, string a comma b. First string I'll be getting with the help of next of. Second string I'll be getting with the help of next line of. So whenever you have a next type of the definition, you are supposed to start with a capital case. Okay, so here only a next of. Next of is nothing but only you're taking a word. Okay, so and next line you didn't specify. Okay, so now I want to get a toString, and that will be printed here. Okay, so let me go ahead with the execution part is string input str in dot Java. Okay, here this Java C str in dot Java LWD is my class name. So now I'm just going to print a string learn with Durga. So string may be a group of word or a single word, right? So I just give a first a input. I thought here you have a two strings. So after entering a first string, you are supposed to get a another string, right? But in this case, what will happen, it will take only one input. Okay, so what actually happened, okay, so in case of a next, so this is only taking word, only one word. So after finding a space, what will happen, it is going to consider the remaining as a next input. Okay, so but in case of this next line, it will be taking a whole sentence. Got it? So you'll get a whole sentence or a line. Okay, line of words. Okay, so you'll be having whatever it is given in the same line, you will be getting as a line of words. Okay, so let me go ahead with the order, then you will get the idea. Okay, so I'm just changing here. You just enter learn with Durga. Okay, but you didn't get a next input, so default what will happen, this is considered as A, and the remaining is going to be considered as a B. So along with space it took, right? So usually you are supposed to have only one space, but here I have mentioned A plus space equal to B, right? If suppose I just remove this, what will happen, string concatenation, right? So string 1 plus string 2, so what will happen, learn with Durga, same thing you will be getting here, right? So here let me go ahead with again the execution part, learn with Durga. So now listen, you will get a again space. Oh, I didn't save, I just compiled. Okay, so I have executed, I didn't compile because we have made change, right? Learn with Durga. So you won't get a space in the middle. You got it? Here you have a space, but here you didn't have a space because I done a string concatenation. Okay. So let me go ahead with the order. If suppose this is given in the first line, okay. So what will happen? So previous case, what will happen? Automatically, the second input is considered as a first input half, right? So that is why you didn't get a two inputs. Okay. So now I just want to, as per the condition, you are supposed to get a two inputs, two strings, right? Yes or no? Two strings you have to get it. That is B and A. Now I just change the order. First I took a line off, and the second I took a next off. Okay. So let me go ahead with that execution. String strin is my program name. Now my class LWD class. So inside I'll be writing learn with Durga. Okay, so this is not going to print the output. Why? Because it is expecting the next input. So that is never stop learning. Okay, so these two are I have given, but this is what B. Now I change the order. B is going to get the help of next line. A is going to get with the help of next off. Okay, so what you output you will expect, you will get a next line of entire output, you will get it, right? And if you are going with A, what will happen? Let me go ahead with the program, then you will understand. Okay, here I gave a learn with Durga, and here I gave never stop learning, right? Yes or no? So what will happen, this entire string will be assigned. Why? Because this is next line of, that is why it expected the next input, right? So now what will happen, the second input you will get only this never stop learning is going to be ignored. Why? Because this take only word. Okay, so what would be the output you will be expecting? Never learn with Durga. Okay, this sentence is making a fun one. Okay, never plus learn with Durga. So you'll get a never and learn. Okay, so let me go ahead with the order. Okay, the output is get never learn with Durga. Okay, you got it? Everyone clear? Okay, so